Can F1 overtaking statistics predict future race trends? Imagine watching a Formula One race and wondering if the number of times cars pass each other can tell us what will happen in the next race. Overtaking statistics give us a lot of data about how often drivers switch positions during a race. These numbers show where and when overtakes happen, which can hint at how competitive cars are and how skilled drivers are in different situations. But can these numbers really predict what will happen in future races? That's what we're here to find out. Overtaking happens when one driver passes another on the track and keeps that new position until the race ends. It does not include changes caused by pit stops, mechanical issues, or lap traffic. By looking at overtaking rates over many races, we see patterns that are influenced by rules, car design, tire performance, and the layout of the circuit. For example, when Formula One banned refueling between 2010 and 2011, overtaking numbers changed a lot. Then, when drag reduction system was introduced in 2011, overtaking opportunities increased because drivers could reduce aerodynamic drag on certain parts of the track. This system made passing easier but also made the statistics less about pure driver skill and more about the aid. Other technical changes also impact overtaking. Wider cars introduced in 2017 initially made overtaking harder because of increased turbulence. Tire compounds and how quickly they wear out can also influence race pace and the chances to overtake. Some circuits naturally encourage more passing because of long straights and heavy braking zones. Tracks like Monza often see more overtakes than tight, twisty circuits like Monaco, which rarely have passes. From a team and driver point of view, overtaking stats can show how competitive a car is and how good a driver is at making moves. Advanced data from telemetry helps tell if a driver is overtaking because of skill or because of the car's performance. But these statistics alone cannot fully predict future race trends. Rule changes can suddenly make overtaking easier or harder. Weather conditions, safety cars, and race incidents add a lot of unpredictability. Strategy decisions like when to pit and what tires to use also influence overtaking chances. Teams and analysts combine overtaking data with other information like weather forecasts, tire degradation, and circuit layout to make predictions. They look for patterns, such as which corners are likely to see more passes or how a new car upgrade might improve overtaking chances. Still, even with all this data, there is always some level of uncertainty because racing is influenced by so many factors. So, while overtaking statistics are a helpful tool, they are just one part of a bigger picture that helps forecast what might happen in future races.